absolutely outdoors. It's a cool morning in Alabama. Hunting with my friend Ricky Upshaw, and down in the road there is Mr. Mikey Frander. Mikey's dog's already jumped. He's running back in here to the right, so let's go try to kill some rabbits so we can have a rabbit cooking.
Let's do it. Fast, they going. Somebody coming back.
Huh?
Hey, Chad.
Yeah.
There go Bo right there. Whatever it is, he come off it.
He done quit with the other dog.
Yeah. Get in here! Get in here! We need to get him up here. Get his head with big. Get in here!
Running, Ricky.
Huh?
I think they running. I think they've just lost out for a minute.
Rabbit been playing around. Wiggins said he's around here somewhere. There go Red. The Red. Get in here! Help! Help!
Come here.
I'm in here! I'm in here! There's a dog right here. I'm in here! I'm in here! I'm in here! Hey!
Little bit. Good God.
What is wrong with her? Get in here! Here, get in here!
Little bit. Come in here.
I'm in here!
You know where Bo was going? He was going with that truck.
Yeah. I'm
Get
in
in
here!
here.
I'm in here!
Get in here. I said he won't run one. I bet he will.
That's all that was. Blueberry fat or she pregnant?
He's fat as ripped. I don't know if she's
Might be both, huh?
Might be both. You check. Both. Cut it out. What's the wheel about? Find the rabbit. Let's go. Find him. Well, buddy. Here he comes, back in here. Huh? There went your rabbit. Sight chasing. Joe sight chasing. Yeah, Ricky. Joe running in by himself, Ricky. Get in here! Get in here! Get him, Joe. Get in here, Red. Here, get in here. Red, come here. Get in here. Red, get in here. Come here a little bit. Come here. Here go. Woo! Here go. Woo! Get in here. Come here, Red. Get in here. Come here, buddy. There you go. Get in here. We got two going now.
Yeah, I heard them. I didn't see them, but I definitely heard them.
Yeah, I saw the rabbits across the road. Hey, Ricky, we got two rabbits going. Maybe the pack's gonna get in there behind Joe. Well, they ain't done it yet. Our dog's getting on him now. I think they're gonna go to the bowl now. Get out here. You saw that rabbit, didn't you, Joe? That's hot. Right here. Bigger. 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 Yeah. No. Bigger. Grab. Get these here.
That's a big one.
Yeah, big old butt rabbit. Big old butt rabbit. They jumped him hot and he come right out on us up here above us up here.
I know, it was a quick shoot that in this short lane you had.
Yeah. Well, I killed him actually after he crossed the road.
I got you. Second shot.
Yeah.
Always good to have a second shot.
Give me that paper back. What are you doing?
Paper do.
Back Joe's gonna get in.
I didn't walk up and put him in the truck.
Oh, that'd be great.
I don't send carrying around. Jump another one. Huh?
He's a heavy one.
Yeah, jump around. Go ahead and put him in there. I tell you what, and when it hurts head to come back up here, go back in where that dog lost that rabbit.
Yeah.
Bring the dog back up and walk right down through there.
I wish he'd leave Bo at home. You saw Joe saw him cross the road up here the first time. He was sight chasing for a minute, and then he trailed him on through that.
Find him in there.
Honey. Come here, boys. Come here. Joe, you want to pat a few buddies, he's going to bite you. Yeah. Come here, Joe. Come here, Joe.
He'll come back. You ain't
Come in here.
Promise he gonna come back.
You don't jump no rat in their yard.
Nah.
I called, they all come. There you go. Get in there. Go to the old man.
You go left here, go down to the left, and I go back around to the right, and we'll cover this section here. And when we get on the end, we'll parallel left.
They don't jump at them pretty quick. You want to get in up here? All right. I'll call them up here if they don't jump pretty quick. Yeah. Get in here! I'm in here! Yeah! Get in here! Get in here!
Let's go!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Get in here! Get in here! Let's go! Here! Here! Slide in here! Slide in here! Yeah! Slide in here!
Come in here! Get in here! Get in here! Get in here! If you'd have had your rifle, would you have shot him? Yeah, get in here, get in here. Woo! There you go, there you go, there you go. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Dead rabbit.
Yes, sir.
What was he doing? Just slipping out? hear a good race. But hemming and hawing and hacking ain't very good. Yeah. Huh? Get in here! Get in here! Get in here! Woo! There you go! There you go! There you go! There you go! Get in here! Get in here! Get in here!
This is a fairly nice sized buck rabbit. Usually they get bigger than that though. He's a decent size.
It only took you one shot, took Ted
Huh?
two. It took you one shot.
Well, you get lucky sometimes. I ain't gonna claim I'm a better shooter now. I can't do that. I get lucky. Yeah! Give me one of them bags, Ted. I'm bleeding pretty good. They're gonna get this one up quick.
Got that 20 gauge today.
Yeah.
That wonderful 20 gauge.
Man, I tell you, best bargain I ever had. Thanks, Ted.
That's that gun I thought wouldn't shoot.
Ted had issues with it.
It had issues with me. My
It's
finger.
amazing how the empty
does.
shell pops out and then when it
It leaves you
not
out in
shit,
there.
yeah. Yeah, it knows which one to kick
Let
out.
me take 'em on this.
Yeah, let's get on down the line.
Rick, you stay out there. Rick, you jump.
Rick.
Yeah, you jump across to that little Rick.
That's what Ricky said. He going up the road just in case.
On him now. Man, they act like it's hot on that. I don't know, they having trouble smelling or what? They don't usually just open like they're hot and then just quit.
Quit.
Whoop! Find him now. I can do that. I tell you what, I'm in this old road bed right here. He bush hogged. I'm just gonna go on down it and go straight in. Find him now. Find him. Find him. Find him. Rip, you hear him, don't you? Let me walk him right over here.
Go ahead.
Get in here.
I'll be right here.
No problem, come right back out. Get in here. Find him. Find him. Find him.
They coming your way.
Get in here. Get in here. name now. All right, guys, we had a pretty good hunt this morning. Had 3 good races and some not so good races, but we wound up with 3 big old buck rabbits, and that'll be some fine eating. And Mr. Upshaw over here is going to show us how to cook one of these days.
We're gonna get to it.
Then we're going to eat it over rice, and we're going to smack our lips on the camera. And this is Mr. Mikey Frander, the guy that let us hunt out here this morning. Mikey, thank you very much.
You're more than welcome, Mr. Ted.
We really enjoyed it. If you'll let us, we'll be able to come back again.
Love having you back anytime.
All right, buddy. What about across the road? You still got that?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. We'll
All
do
right,
that next
folks.
time.
Y'all have a great week. I don't know whether you'll see this before Christmas or not, but if not, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. Y'all have a
Happy New
great
Year.
day and God bless.
Merry Christmas.